Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Awin affiliate link tracking with your campaign IDs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Awin affiliate link tracking with your campaign IDs, begin by logging into your Awin account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your campaigns listed. Select the campaign you want to verify. Find the campaign ID associated with that specific campaign. Take note of this ID for later use. Now, open a web browser and locate the affiliate link you want to test. Ensure that the link includes your unique affiliate ID. Add the relevant campaign ID to the end of the URL in this format, campaign_ID equals your campaign_ID. Copy the complete URL with the added campaign ID. Next, paste this URL into the address bar of your web browser. Hit enter to navigate to the link. Once the page loads, check the URL in the address bar again. Confirm that the campaign ID is still present in the URL. Go back to your Awin dashboard. Navigate to the Reports section. Select Click Reports to view your link tracking data. Look for the clicks registered under the specific campaign. Ensure that the clicks correspond with the link you just tested. If clicks are reflected in the report, your tracking is verified successfully. If not, double-check the link format and ensure that your affiliate ID and campaign ID are correct. For further testing, consider using link shorteners to ensure accuracy in tracking. After verifying, document the successful links for future reference. Regularly check your reports to ensure ongoing accuracy in tracking. This process will help you maintain oversight of your Awin affiliate link performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.